Hi everybody, welcome to my new video. Barev everybody, Yasam Georgia, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Armenian entry for Eurovision 2024 called JAKO or JAKO, I'm not sure how it's pronounced in Armenian, and the band is called LADANIVA. Now I've heard about this band a couple of years ago when I heard their cover of a Serbian ethno song called Ajde Jano, and ever since then I've been following them, so I'm really happy that they're the Armenian entry this year for Eurovision. And before I start with the reaction, I would just like to remind you that my first video ever on this YouTube channel was me trying to speak Armenian because I have a soft spot for Armenia. I love the country, I love the people, the culture, the language and everything. So I'm really excited to talk about the Armenian entry this year, and I'm really hoping that they can score a great result this year in May. So before I start, please make sure to check out my video of me trying to speak Armenian, and then let's move on to the reaction for the song that LADANIVA has prepared for Eurovision 2024. Okay, so we already see that this is something ethnic and traditional, and I already love it because this is what I expected, and obviously this is something that is very true to their style. Yeah, and you know, the whole scenery, the environment is like an Armenian countryside, Armenian village. It reminds me of the Serbian villages as well, so it's really easy to connect with this song and the video and this style. So it's JAKO, not JAKO. I thought it was JAKO, and it means strong in Serbian. I don't know what it is in Armenian. Yeah, I absolutely love the video. I love the video, and the charisma, the trumpets, the instruments, everything. It's just, yeah, this is absolutely something that I expected and that should be this year because we missed this. And the fact that they're singing in Armenian is beautiful because we haven't heard a song fully in Armenian since what, 2018, and it's finally time to hear it back again. Yeah, the trumpets are going to drive everybody crazy in Malmö and everybody back home listening to this song. I'm really looking forward to see what they plan for the staging. Now the flute is what, yeah, this is what I said, like this is something that you could hear in Serbia easily, like in the Serbian countryside, Serbian villages. Yeah, I mean everywhere, at parties, so that's what I'm saying, like I would love to be here at this part. I hope I can come to Armenia soon and live it, in person. Yeah, I want to party like the Armenians here, yeah, absolutely, I want to do this. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I could absolutely hear this sound, playing at our weddings or baptisms or any type of celebration. So, yeah, as I said, it's very easy to relate to this song in the video. I love their charisma. I love the voice, the music, the video, the language, everything. Yeah. This was LADANIVA, this was JAKO, and this is absolutely something that I expected, and I'm really happy that we got this year at Eurovision, and hopefully it can do well. But this is what I think of JAKO and LADANIVA's entry for Eurovision 2024. This is really, really good, and I hope Armenia is proud of this because I think it's a good representation of the country and the culture and everything. So, I mean, I've loved the songs in the past from Armenia, but this one I feel like it's different than the past couple of entries. All of them were great, but this one is great as well if you ask me. So I don't know what to expect with this. I hope the televoters are going to vote for this. I hope the jury is going to appreciate the authenticity and uniqueness of this song and entry. So yeah, hopefully this will be in the final. I think it absolutely deserves to be there. Let me know in the comments below what the chances are for LADANIVA to get a top 10, get to the final, maybe even get a top 5. It's been a couple of years now since Armenia last got their top 10 result. I think it was in 2016 with Iveta Mokuchan and Love Way. It was my #1 favorite back then. Amazing. So hopefully they can manage it to get a top 10 result, or at least to get to the final. That's already a great success. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching the video. Good luck Armenia, good luck LADANIVA. And yeah, what can I say? Thank you so much. Tune into my other videos that I've created so far, and some of the videos I'm going to be making in the future. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much. Bari Ciao.